Now, have you ever pondered the significance of visualizing scientific data? Data visualization tools transform complex data into visual narratives, simplifying understanding. Dashboards aid in interpreting data. Yeah. So, isn't the role of data visualization in science quite crucial? Imagine using a dashboard to compare healthcare stocks like Abbott and Thermo Fisher Scientific. Dashboards can convert raw data into comprehensive metrics, making trends easier to spot. The comparison of Illumina Incorporate, for instance, and Thermo Fisher becomes a clearer and more interactive, in fact, more engaging experience when dashboards are used. The enchantment of dashboard tool is inherent in their multifaceted adaptability. They are vital for interpreting various scientific data, adding a layer of interactivity. The magic unfolds as we organize crucial indicators and making them user friendly. In fact, these tools hence does not just lie in visualizing scientific data, but also in the art of arranging these elements to tell a multi-compelling, coherent, and insightful story. Dashboards invigorate the scientific space by transforming it into an interactive platform that simplifies complex information, making them so good, in fact, as gateway to a wealth of insights. They revolutionize how stakeholders extract valuable insights, letting them harness the power of data effortlessly. As we dive into the creation of actionable research dashboards, there are numerous powerful tools out there. Let's start with Tableau, renowned for, of course, its user-friendly interface and its Tableau public package, which is out there, and Power BI, known for its seamless integration with Microsoft products. Other notable tools out there include ClickView, Domo, and Zoho, each with its own unique strengths. However, the choice of tools should be based on your own particular needs. Are you geared up to steer actionable scientific and business research in your existing niche with these tools? This is very simple. Engage or transform into an actionable research expert for your team. Thank you so much. My name is Patrick Eneche, and I'm very happy to connect and collaborate with you.